I always thought you were the best. I guess I always feel. I always thought that we were blessed, and I feel that way still. Sometimes we took the hard road, but we always saw it through. If I have only one friend left, I want it to be you. Sometimes the road was on our side, sometimes it wasn't fair. Sometimes it gave a helping hand, sometimes we did it fair. 'Cause when we were together, it made the dream come true.